Let's learn IIB. Today, I will show you how you can build a file explorer tool for your IIB machine. This file explorer tool will list the files and folders in a directory, and you can export any directory as zip file. Here is the message flow that you invoke to list files from a directory. Java is used to interact with the OS file system. It accepts a query string for the directory path to list. Output response will be of XML and SC domain, where a field called dir entry will hold the names of files and folders. Now let's test our code. I have listed the contents of C temp directory on my machine. From Stack Overflow, I got the code which zips a folder. Link in description. Thanks to Bain, who provided this solution in 2013. I modified it slightly as I'm not interested in creating a zip file on IIB file system. I want the zip file to download from browser when you invoke a HTTP endpoint. So I set zip file contents in output root.blob.blob. You have to pass some instructions to the browser to inform it that it should download the response body. For that, use content type header and set the value to application/octet. You have to inform the browser to save the zip file with some name. For that, use content disposition header and fill the file name to be used. Let's test our HTTP endpoint. I provided query parameter asking my IIB application to zip Spring Boot folder. It has zipped that folder and browser downloaded it automatically with proper name. Our test is successful. This tool might not be that useful, but it is important to code every day, similar to sharpening the blade of a sword. I save my projects in GitHub, link in video description. I refer Stack Overflow page and IBM Developer Works page when I need assistance with coding. What do you refer? Reply in comments.